Making a quick video showing you a overview of how to replace the wheel bearing on a 2015 Audi A3. All you have to do, I'm already into it pretty far here, all you have to do is remove the caliper, hang that up out of the way. 21 millimeter sockets what you're going to use for those. I just hang it up there with the caliper hook. You can use whatever you want. Pull the rotor off, then pull these three nuts off this ball joint and get the axle bolt loose first. You should probably get the axle bolt loose before you raise the car up. Do it on the ground with a breaker bar. Get that loose at least, then you can lift it up and then it's easy to get out. It's pretty tight, pretty high torque spec on that bolt. So once you do that and you can get this pulled away, you're able to get to the 3 bolts in the back that hold this into place. Here you go. And get those 3 bolts out of there. And you can leave one in. These usually don't seize up too hard, but you can leave one in partially, enough to air chisel or hammer on the back of it to help drive this off. But it comes with new bolts, and it also comes with the hub already pressed on with this particular model. So pretty easy job to do. So that's it. Thanks for watching.